Thank you.
Wow, it's so beautiful to see the smile on your face. And thank you for giving us this treat today to witness such a beautiful conversation. It has really been a wonderful gift. Would it be okay to ask you just a few questions on how this experience has been for you today? So, I'm very curious to find out from you, what is it that you have experienced now as a client?
Uh, I feel that the most important thing, because there's a lot of things, but the most important thing is the feeling inside, like it's like the. I mean, you can. It's exactly what he was saying before. Like you can talk about how to do coaching or what coaching is, but feeling this in the way I was feeling it is very strong. I mean, it's like really conscious of what is that is happening in me. Um, Helped me a lot to connect a lot with my feelings. That is what it did.
That's really beautiful. I kind of feel like there's a lot of appreciations in that. On the one hand, it's that connected feeling which you are experiencing. And you also use that word of conscious. So it seems like there is some through the awareness and realizations that you have had. So I'm curious, what is it that you are appreciating now about this transformational approach?
I don't know. I don't know how to put it in words, but it's like a kind of all the emotions that I'm having on that time that I want to sort out, and I don't know how, are here in the moment. So the feeling of not being able, and then the feeling of yes, this is possible, is all in a 30 minutes conversation. Like, but I was really powerful, and yeah, the approach is, is the best for me. This is the way. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for giving us this beautiful learning experience to witness this through this conversation. And so, before you drop off, what would be something that you would like to complete today?
I I really can see um, the strong desire that I have about moving forward with this, and sometimes I lose this, but it's very clear today. It's very clear what I want. It's very clear what I desire, uh, and and I'm really grateful for being here and having this opportunity. Thank you.